Welcome to Oriora.
There are a few ways to use this, and finding yours takes about a minute. It all comes down to one thing: how much you want to hand over. 4 ways in total, from it doing everything for you to you wiring it into your own product. What changes between them is only how much you hand over. Start with the simplest. You ask and it does the work for you, using AI as the tool behind the scenes. Nothing to set up, and a daily spending cap keeps it predictable. This is the easy on-ramp. Same ready-made apps, but you connect your own AI vendor keys. Now there's no daily cap. Your vendor charges you for the AI directly, and you pay only a small flat fee per call. Building your own product, the service runs inside it. It picks the best model for each task, runs the call on your connected key, and hands back the result. Or keep your key entirely. Ask which model fits the task, get back a recommendation, and make the call yourself. The key is never seen on our side. So that's the whole decision: how much you hand over, from nothing to your key to your whole product. The same routing runs underneath all 4.
That's Oriora. Start simple and go as far as you want.